The new seat is here. Let's go. Roll that intro. How's it, everybody? Hello and good morning. Fat Boy Jr. here with another video. Today I'm going to be swapping out my stock seat with the seat from Saddlemen. So super excited about that. Obviously I've had the stock seat on since I got the bike, and just looking for something a little more comfortable and more of a solo style seat, something that keeps me tucked in there on the bike. So it's all about safety. So I got to make sure that when I'm taking off, you know, I'm not about to fall off the bike. So yeah, stay tuned. Here we go. All right, trusty old seat. Boom. Get this bad boy open. Pretty small box for a seat, but it looks like it fit right in here. Little foam action. Ooh. Oh, yeah. This is a solo knuckle seat. I like the design. I thought about going with the diamond stitching, but I like this style better. Some paperwork. Wow, this just feels amazing. Saddlemen, little logo right there, like that. I'm all about black, so this whole seat is just blacked out, stitching and everything. So pretty stoked, man. It's it's fairly light. Shout out to Saddlemen. Shout out to Get Lowered. Got it from Get Lowered Cycles. Check them out, getlowered.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Yep, there she is. So stock seat. It's a nice seat. Can be a little bit comfortable. You know, obviously it's broken in now, but I've had the bike since July. 2 screws right there. How's that powder coat action? Yeah, my buddy Ben Ballinger. Hook him up. Look him up. Let me know. Obviously it's not a solo seat. You know, I took the pillion off the back. You can kind of see that sticker right there inside for protection. But yeah, I took that off. Well, I kind of wanted to show off the fender. Oh yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be awesome. Right on. So yeah, just 2 screws right here. 2 bad boys. Beautiful, you know. I like them. Everything, the more blacked out, the better. Just take off those 2 bolts right there. Then you're gonna want to lift up gently. I'm gonna try to do this with one hand so you guys can see. So there's a bracket underneath the fender, obviously. So those 2 screws kind of move around side to side. And then yeah, just lift it up, pull it back, and yeah. And that's it. Just like that. Ooh. Could be cleaned up a little bit. Actually, it's not too bad. Try and keep this bad boy clean. So, most of you guys, if you guys are changing out your seats, you'll notice, like right here on the tank, a little bit of scuffing action, but hopefully the new seat will also cover that part. Nothing too crazy, especially with all this weight I got going. Probably make it even worse, but yeah. All right, let's get the knuckle on. All right, people, when you do an unboxing, make sure you have everything that you need. Box came in. I was so excited about the new seat that I did not check to make sure I had everything. So I was missing the Y bracket, which is needed for my style of bike for the seat to fit on my Fat Boy. So I hit up Get Lowered Funny on Instagram, and they actually got together like right away with Saddlemen, and they got it sent out to me, and it showed up within a couple of days. So now you're about to see some nighttime footage because I couldn't wait to the next day to install the seat. I was so excited, so I was up late at night. But yeah, so just in case you're wondering why I'm in different clothes and all that stuff, because obviously it doesn't take that long to install a seat. So yeah, so let's continue on. Appreciate it. All right. Shout out to Saddlemen. Sending me my bracket for my solo seat. Woohoo! Oh, another sticker, huh? Yeah. So this is the little Y bracket that you need to put on the bike when this comes off. Take these two bolts off. I'm gonna add this bad boy in there. There's another lever underneath that I'll show you soon, but we'll get this going. But can't wait. Was on standby. Had to wait for this part, so pretty stoked. Overkill. Oh wow, man, hefty. Couple nuts and bolts. There. A sticker. Thanks, Saddlemen. Oh, kind of gives you the breakdown of how to install this bad boy. But yeah, should be pretty straightforward. Not rocket science, but let's get to it. All right, side by side. Look at that. I mean, this one obviously a little bit wider, but I don't know, man. Obviously, you can tell right here, this little lip action. Keep my big old cola in on the bike. So, yeah, pretty excited, man. But I just love that. Ooh, S for Savage. Saddlemen. Yeah. Shout out, man. I love this seat, man. This knuckle style too. Didn't want to do the diamond stitching. I didn't really think it'd go well with the bike. So yeah, knuckle it is. And then yeah, so there's the bracket right there. Remove, rotate, reattach, install. So I think obviously hex key for those two screws right here. Probably 4mm. I'll check. Oh, 4mm hex. This bad boy going. Super excited, man. You know, there's a bunch of seats. You know, I was looking at Corbin, Mustang, and Solo, 1-up, 2-up. I was looking at all kinds of stuff, but you know, I ended up going with Saddlemen just from, you know, I've never sat on a Saddlemen seat before. I just kind of went off of you know, what other folks were saying about it on social media, Facebook and whatnot. So we'll see. I mean, like I said, it feels comfortable. So I'm pretty excited. Let's turn this bad boy around. So we'll see. Like I said, I got a big butt, so we'll see how this bad boy feels on it. But just from, you know, holding the seat, it's legit, man. It's sturdy and hefty, and hopefully that gel holds up for me. 2,000 pounds of torque. Oh, yeah. Just like that, man. And then over here is the Y bracket for my style seat, for my bike. So put the Y bracket on there. Boom. Fit that bad boy on there. Couple nuts and bolts and screws. They sent me 2 of these, but I should only need 1. Yeah, easy peasy. Should be cool. Alright. So these little plastic stud retainers, keep those on there. Those don't come off the bike. And then you got these 2 thick washers. Pretty thick. It's like 4.5 millimeters. But pretty nice and solid. Slap those on there. And then you got your Y bracket. You know, pretty straightforward. Obviously got the padding there to touch the rear part of the fender, so you're not scratching anything. And just slap that on there. And then there's a portion where you'll screw the bolt onto. Slap that on there. You got 2 more washers. These are little tiny ones. Pretty small. Slap that on there. Like so. And then boom. Screw these bad boys on there. Obviously comes with 2. Get your ratchet. This is, what is this? 7/16. Slap that on there. Tighten these bad boys down. them nice and tight. Alright. Boom. Alright. Got the seat. Got the little knob right there. Attached right down in here. So obviously you're gonna, pretty straightforward. Make sure it locks in there. And then just slip it on there. Got it in there. Like so. Seat right there. Alright. Just slap this bad boy on there. Yeah, I like this old one. Obviously you can tell the old nut is a little thicker than the ones they sent, Saddlemen sent. Nothing against the one Saddlemen sent. I always, you know, I don't know. Bigger is bigger. You know, bigger is better to me, so. Man, this seat is just pretty awesome. Alright. Yep, that's about it, man. That's it right there. Man, I just really like this. Just really like that knuckle style that just feel like it flows with the bike more so than the diamond stitching. Obviously, it's all about comfort, so. But yeah, that's it, man. Oh yeah, looks like everything's hidden in there pretty good. No real openings here. So yeah. Alright. I'll try and get on this bad boy. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Oh yeah, I'm in there. Oh yeah. I mean, the stock seat, you know, if I just kind of slid up just a little bit, kind of back, even when I'm, you know, trying to get the bike out and I'm pushing back to back up the bike, my butt would kind of slide off the top, the back end of the stock seat. This, I'm not really going anywhere. This feels really good. I mean, obviously I got a big ass, so, wow, man, this feels really good. I'm not really going to get a lot of info right now on it, but until I start riding it, but that just initially feels really good. But yeah, I'm not going anywhere if I take off. But that feels really good. Wow. Yeah. Here you can see it's got that lip too, so, you know, boom. Kind of sitting there firmly, you know, from up top it looks, you know, doesn't look like it can handle me, but that felt good. That felt really good. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Nice and easy. Man, I just love this seat. Right on, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. Stay safe, stay blessed, and spread the love, baby. All right.